In video games, a cutscene is an event that interrupts gameplay to provide information to the player through sequences and dialogue between characters. Let's look at how to create a basic cutscene in RPG Maker MZ. For this type of cutscene, we're going to create a bottleneck on the map, so the player has to step on a specific tile and gets interrupted by the cutscene before they can move on. Let's place an event in the doorway, where the player will have to step before they can progress. This event should be set to below characters, and the trigger should be player touch. This means that it will activate as soon as the player steps on it. In the event's contents, fade out the screen. Create a new switch that will make the characters appear. Create new events on the map that will only appear once this switch is active. For this cutscene, these will be characters from the player's party. Now let's fade in the screen and use the show message command to input the dialogue for each character. You can add wait commands between each message to make use of creative pauses between speech. Once the dialogue has ended, fade out the screen again and turn the switch off. You can use a SelfSwitch on the original cutscene event to prevent the cutscene from triggering again. To do this, turn on a SelfSwitch and then create a new page with nothing on it. The condition for this event will be that SelfSwitch. On the first page, after turning the SelfSwitch on, don't forget to fade in the screen again. You can also make use of things like pictures and animations, and there's even an option to play a movie to show a fully animated cutscene if you wish. You could also trigger a cutscene in many other ways, such as just talking to an event as normal, or using a parallel process or auto-run event. Thanks for watching, and happy game developing!